welcome back for section 9.4. This is, we are working on working with formulas. This is part 2. And in this part, we are going to look at solving for specific variables. So here we have the formula for distance. Distance is equal to rate times time. So d is equal to r times t. So if we want to isolate the variable t, okay, we want to get that all by itself. Well, we are going to divide both sides by r. So we get that t is now equal to d over r. So take a moment and see if you can do example 5. V is equal to k times p. So in this one, our goal is to isolate p. Well, we need to undo what's being done. And we get that p is equal to v over k. All right. And in example 6, we want to solve for x and for y. So I'm going to model solving for x, and then I want you to try to solve for y. So if we are solving for x, I'm going to do that in green. So solve for x. So remember, we are isolating the x. And remember the story that I told you all about the birthday gift? Okay? You cannot pull that 2 away from the x just yet. First thing that we have to do is get that entire variable term all by itself. Okay? So that gives us 2x is equal to negative 4y plus 10. And now we can divide everybody by 2. And it's important to know that we're dividing everything by 2. So this means that x is actually equal to negative 2y plus 5. You see how I distributed that divided by 2? All right, so take a minute and let me know what y equals. So again, we can start out 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. And we are now solving for y. We want to isolate that. So I'm going to pull away the x term, which leaves us with 4y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. And then we can divide everybody by 4. And when we divide everybody by 4, you get y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 5/2. Okay? So last but certainly not least, go ahead and give example 7 a try. So for example 7, let's subtract the 3x from both sides. And then we're left with negative y is equal to negative 3x plus 15. Then we can divide everything by negative 1. And that leaves us with y is equal to 3x minus 15. So take a few minutes and comment any questions that you have now.